Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Carlyn, and if you make it to the end of this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So as you can see how my hair is right now, I straightened my hair about 2 weeks ago, and I just wanted to straighten it again just so I could like get it like super straight and just kind of talk through, because it's easier for me to kind of talk through. The last video I did was kind of rushed. So before I straightened my hair like 2 weeks ago, 1 week before that I did the Apple G protein treatment. So I think that would be a good idea for you to do before you straighten your hair, and after too would be a good idea. And I didn't change anything with the washing process. I did wash again with the Hydra Soothe Soothing Wash from Silk Out System. And then after that, I went in with the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo from Shea Moisture. And then the only thing I did different with that is, or the only thing I did different after that was I used a different deep conditioner. This is the one that I was using when I was straightening my hair, you know, back a few years ago. This is the one that I always like to use, and I just had forgot about that since it had been so long. So I did use this one this time, the Deep Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture also. So I'm actually on the last step with my hair right now. It's been blow dried, so all I have to do is straighten it now. And what I use to blow dry with this time is the Revlon blow dry brush. I guess that's what it's called. And I was saying in my last video that I prefer to use comb attachments, or even something like that worked really good for, you know, just getting my hair super straight. Because if you noticed when I was blow drying my hair in my last video, like, the heat wasn't close to my hair at all. So it's just easier for me because it's a little bit more of a controlled movement. But yeah, this is how my hair turned out with that Revlon blow dry brush, and I think it did like a very good job, a much better job if I may say. So yeah, every time that I straighten my hair from this day forth, I'm going to be using that blow dry brush. So the flat iron that I like to use is this Silk Out Pro Heat flat iron. And this flat iron is actually Black owned. And this is the same company who used the first shampoo that I used. So they have like shampoos, conditioners, flat irons, and I think they also make a blow dry brush also. But yeah, like I said, it's Black owned, so go check them out on Instagram or whatever, and you should find them there or on their website also. Last time when I did this, when I straightened my hair, you know, like on my last video, I put the flat iron up to 400, but since I'm trying to get my hair like, I guess like bone straight is the word, I'm gonna go up to 410, because at 400, so I'm gonna go up to 410 today. And I really wish I could go up to 405, but it just goes up, as you'll see, by tens. I don't know if you can see that, but this is how it comes up like that. That's off, and then it goes up by tens like that. But I would do 405 because I feel like I just needed it a little hotter, but since this doesn't have a 405, 410 it is. I forgot to mention I did use this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner right before I blow dried it, and then I did use again the Camera blow dry spray after. So I'm just gonna go back in with the same heat protectant spray, the Tresemme heat protectant spray right here, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. And I try to make sure it gets all up and through my hair, because I really don't want to get heat damage. And then I just take my fingers, and you can use your fingers or a comb or anything you want to use, and I just like to just kind of work it through my hair, because when you start straightening your hair, you don't want this heat protectant spray to be like wet on your hair, because then your hair is going to start sizzling, and you don't want that. And then you want to take like really small sections, like thin. And I'm just going to put this over here, and then I'm going to use this. I can't remember what I used to use like a long time ago, or a couple of years ago when I was straightening my hair, but I'm just gonna use this time. And then I like to go over my roots about 3 times, and then for the bottom part, just, you know, when I feel like I got it as straight as I want. So do y'all see like how thin these pieces are that I'm getting out? Like the 2 things for like the best silk press that I think is you need to have a good blow dry and take small sections with your flat iron. Take small sections and also go slow. You need to be like slow going down. Okay, so I'm gonna go one more time. I'm barely even using this comb, but it's okay because I feel like I don't even really need it, but I'm gonna use it anyway. All right, so I'm gonna speed this up, and probably when I get to the end of this one section, I'll come back and check in with y'all. Alright y'all, so I've already finished my hair, and I should have done this before I bumped the ends, but I have some of this serum. Is from Silk Out System, the same people who made the flat iron that I just used, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on my hair just for extra shine and flyaways. Alright y'all, so this is my hair completely finished and straight, and then I'll go ahead and turn around so you can see the back also. I think I got it a whole lot straighter than I did from last time. I hope you can see that is how it looks. Like, I really hope that I didn't leave out anything. Like I said, if you have any questions or suggestions or anything like that, you can always leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.